of home. The old house is still standing, though the paint is cracked and dry. There's an old tree that I used to play on. Down the lane I look, and there runs Mary, her mouth and lips like cherries. It's good to touch green, green grass of home. Here we go. And I wake, and I look around me, and 4 gray walls that surround me. And I realized, yes, I was only dreaming. For you see, there's a God and there's a sad old padre. Coming on, will walk and daily, then I will touch the green, green grass of home. Yes, to see me in the shade of that old tree as it lay beneath the green